joy, happy to see our kids, their smiling faces, my staff. We have over 100 volunteers that showed up today, starting at 8 in the morning. Brought rakes and blowers and garbage bags and food for us, and it was just amazing. It's good to see our kids back here.
Because we really need to get back to school to learn our knowledge and socialize with our friends.
It's reuniting with our community. It's also teaching our kids how to be good stewards of their community. And so that's the important part, that we continue to teach our kids on how to help take care of community.